家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this is the music of Qiu Lin, and simply a song about nature and the four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And I'll teach you how to say these in Hakka as well. But first, let's take a listen to this beautiful song.
春潮落水連大天，屋前屋後當當地，青山綠樹遠大地，的馬所以到那地，出下一頭一啦啦，天春天康是放啱，前下谷路好細個，路遠變天望小高。
So this song by Qiu Lin is called Spring, Summer, Autumn, and Winter. And let's go ahead and learn these in Hakka. Chun, that's spring. Ha, that's summer. Chu, that's autumn. And Dong, that's winter. So together, Chun, Ha, Chu, Dong. That's spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Let's continue to listen.
初秋涼風吹高樓，走在扶牆看明月，樹頭樹枝垂落腰，搖起熱焰好光景，烈動熱到愛打門，忙碌熱焰忙消失，冬夏熱頭難先看，蛋糕動人有一年。
这首秋林的春夏秋冬啊，其实在描述农夫们啊面对一年四季的一些点点滴滴，包括春季的雨水啦，还有夏季的烈阳，秋季的秋风，以及冬天啊慢慢渐冷，农夫们呢要把稻米收藏起来，而吐出的一首春夏秋冬 ，which again means spring, summer, autumn, and winter， 也就是春夏秋冬。And now that you've learned about the four seasons, you can have a beautiful year in Hakka. I hope you enjoyed that song by Qiu Lin. My name is Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.